Hi everyone, welcome to 1620 Avenue I in the Waterfall Buildings, apartment 302. Great 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom co-op. As you walk into the apartment, you have a great area here that you can make a dining room or a foyer, whatever you like. You have wonderful closet space. Here's the coat closet, huge. Walking in here, we have the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, double sink, nice amount of cabinets, sunshine, natural sunlight coming in from every window. An area in the kitchen, you can put a table and chairs. We have the refrigerator. Walking in, you have a great sunken living room. Beautiful hardwood floors. Off the living room, you have a nice terrace here. Fresh air, tree-lined block. Great neighborhood near transportation, shopping, and schools. Houses of worship, everything's right here. Off the living room, you have a smaller bedroom. Could be a bedroom, could be an office, depending what you need. Also beautiful sunlight. Nice closets throughout the house. Walking to the other side of the apartment. We have a full bathroom, beautiful tiles. Another nice closet here. And then you walk into the master bedroom. As you can see, it's a corner apartment, so you get a ton of natural light. Again, beautiful wood floors, high ceilings, 2 nice sized closets. One here, very big. Lots of room, very spacious. This one's not gonna last. If you're interested in viewing, schedule your appointments today. My name is Esther Shirazi with the BEFAR team. Looking forward to hearing from you. Call me for more information. Have a wonderful day.